Hey guys, Adrienne here from About Murals. So today I'm going to answer the question, what is a wallpaper batch number and why does it even matter?
And it does matter. Ignoring this simple piece of information could cost you hundreds. So keep watching for all my wallpaper tips. But first, where is the batch number on wallpaper? You'll usually find it on the wallpaper label near the pattern number and the wallpaper symbols.
If you can see the difference in color between this panel here and this panel here, that's the difference in batch numbers. So when wallpaper is printed, the printing house will spend one full day printing out a ton of batches of the same wallpaper with the same printer toner, the same machine. It's a consistent color when it comes out. And then when they run out of inventory and they have to print new wallpaper, it will come out slightly different because they've got a bit of a different toner cartridge in, they might use a different machine, so it can come out different.
Make sure when you receive all your rolls of wallpaper, they each have the same batch number on the outside of the packaging, so you have enough to finish wallpapering your entire room without having to reorder additional rolls that might show up later with a different batch number. It's better to have extra wallpaper than not enough.
What happened on this project is that I was in here hanging wallpaper in my customer's library, and we realized that day that they didn't order enough wallpaper, unfortunately. So when I asked her to reorder a roll, I mentioned make sure that you order the same batch number so that the wallpaper comes in and it's the same color. Unfortunately, where they ordered online, there's no help desk for them to call in, and there was no area when they were ordering for them to place a note saying that they required a certain batch number. So when the wallpaper arrived, it was a different batch, unfortunately. Thankfully, in this room, she's got quite a large piece of furniture that's going to cover it, so she's not too worried you're not going to see it. But it's just sort of a lesson for you guys that when you order wallpaper, it's probably a good idea to order from someplace where you can talk to somebody over the phone, or at the very least, there's a note section in checkout where you can write that you need a specific batch number in there, or just make sure you order enough wallpaper in advance. You can always return it. Sometimes there's a bit of a restocking fee, sometimes not. But if you order more than enough, you won't run into this issue.
Plus, if there's damage to the wall later, you'll have some leftovers for repairs. Whereas if you don't order enough and then hang the wrong batch number, the wallpaper manufacturer won't reimburse you for the cost of the wrong wallpaper. Plus, an installer will probably charge you a fee to come back, covering their time and mileage. It could all add up to hundreds and lots of headaches.
If you found that information helpful, you might also like to watch this video, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.